and greetings. Hey, I wanted to give a recommendation for the folks over at Horison Marketing. We've been working with them now for approximately 5 months or so-ish, and we have built our brand, our private label brand, to $1 million business. Took us about 3 years to get there, and we realized in order to scale to get to the next major hurdle for us, which was 5 million, we just couldn't do it on our own. So we started looking and talking to different agencies who had what, who charged what. And we ended up choosing the folks over at Horison Marketing because they took just that extra step to make us feel comfortable with our brand. We didn't feel like we were just another client. We met everybody in advance, and each one of them told us what they could do for our brand. And I love that approach. We definitely didn't feel like we were just another number and just another client. And so here we are after about 5 months working with them. We interact with the folks at Horison probably 3 times a week, if not more. They're there for us when we recognize any issue that we need fixing immediately. We couldn't be happier. They've helped us with all of our images, all of our PPC, all of our ad copy. They've optimized. We're squeezing every single drop of conversion percentage that we can get out of our listings at this point. So if you're looking for an agency, you're looking for a company that will absolutely work with you to understand your brand and become a member of the team, not just another customer, give the folks over at Horison a try. They'd be more than happy to talk to you and show you what they can do.